Decisions 2022. We are going to be talking about the midterms elections 2022, and as you can see, the wave it's going red. Republicans are almost taking control of everything, while some races are too close to be called. In this video, we are going to tell you what's happening, comment on what's happening, and advice on what you can possibly do about your immigration status. My name is Bijoux, Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoy the content, please go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Also join me on Instagram, where we are talking about the business side of immigration, employment-based, self-petitions, and more. Let's get right into it. What's happening? Friends, a lot is happening, but we can see, I'm pretty sure you are monitoring these elections because it's important that we do, because the decisions come from it, right? So the House, it looks like it's going red, meaning that the Republican, it's being projected that they're going to take control of the House, and it looks like the Senate too close to call, right? 3 contested states. We have Arizona, Nevada, Georgia that might go to the runoff in December. But again, it looks like it might go to Republicans. I'm not sure, but that's how it looks like, okay? And when we go to governors, looks like the Republicans got a lot of seats there too. So what can you possibly hope from this one? So this is what you can possibly do, right? If, let's say, for example, worst case scenario, right? That the Republican, when the Republicans take control of the House, the Senate, governors, well, probably the president 2024 is going to be Republican. And we know that the policies are so restricted. They're not as liberal as we hope they will be when the Republican take control. But the thing is, they get things done in a way, right? They keep order, they get things done. There's less how do you call it, confusion in policies. But on the other side, the Democrats are liberal. They have liberal policies. They give a lot of options. That's what you need to be taking advantage of. We are in 2022, almost at the end of 2022, but we still have 2023, right? The entire 2023. So what can you possibly do? And we have 2024 as well, right? So you can take advantage of what's happening, the policies that are in place, that can give you some type of advantage. For example, let's go with TPS. New countries have been designated for TPS, and we're still awaiting for renewals for other countries, such as Haiti and others, for renewal in by December, and we hope that it's going to happen because the president is still there, right? But if you haven't taken advantage of this TPS, please go ahead and apply for TPS, okay? You can take advantage of applying for asylum if you qualify. We've talked about what is asylum, how can you qualify for it. Take advantage because the policies are so liberal, especially that they're giving work permit within 6 months, 150 days of your case pending. Then you can apply for a work permit, then wait for 30 days for first-time applicants, sometimes taking longer, maybe 90 days, but still you get your work permit like within a year of applying for asylum. So you can take advantage of that if you qualify. You can take advantage of applying for cancellation of removal if you're in court, if you qualify. Most likely, some of the states are so I know the standards so high for cancellation of removal, but most likely you might qualify for it. Take advantage of green card based on marriage. If you qualify, of course, bona fide marriage into in good faith. The good news about this, public charge has been more lenient, so you're not going to be punished because of taking some advantages of those food stamps, public housing. Remember, under Trump, it was so strict. The green card got denied based on public charge. So you can take advantage of dismissal, prosecutorial discretion, all those policies that were implemented when Biden first came into power are still in place. So the environment is still friendly. The climate is still friendly. Even court have noticed that with the immigration court, So take advantage of it when we're still under those Biden policies. Because if this thing turn red as we see the way it's going, so we might go back to the way it was under Trump with strict policies. Some country will see themselves, their TPS being terminated, stuff like that. So we don't wish for it, but we can prevent it if you can take advantage of things now, right? So that's what I wanted to talk about, because we don't know what the final picture will be like, but I wanted to just give you a brief update on what I think is happening. If you can take advantage of some of those policies that were implemented under Biden, and Biden is still in power, so to speak, those policies are still live, right? We're still following them. So please take advantage. The consultation to 2751-2180. Email Bijoux.ngwandaesq@gmail.com. Consultation fees apply. Until next time, bye-bye.